Today we are unboxing the POCO F7. I ordered it yesterday in the UK and it's already been probably about 18 hours and it's already turned up at the door, so I'm really happy with that. I got on the early bird offer, so plus a 15% discount for being an early wish list person or whatever. So I got an extra 15% off. So let's just go ahead and unbox it without cutting myself. So nice black and yellow box branding there. Here's the phone itself. Obviously in the UK and Europe it's a 6500 mAh battery. In India it's a 7500 mAh battery. They've got a new battery chemistry that they're allowed in India that doesn't seem to be allowed in the UK or Europe yet, so we get the slightly lower one. Or it's because of the fact that the Indian market values larger batteries, so POCO and Xiaomi have decided that, you know, India gets it first as a beta tester before it starts appearing in some of the other phones, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I don't 100% know. So yeah, IP68, big battery, 90 watt charging. Unfortunately, as you may have noticed, in the UK, you do get a free, let me do my air quotes, gift, which is basically the charger, because you don't get chargers anymore with phones in the UK and Europe, I believe. So, flagship Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. So, let's go ahead and take the phone out. I went and got the limited edition design. Let's just take this off. A little bit of gunky mask there. So there we go, that is the phone. It is a shiny glassed back, and you got your accents here. They aren't LEDs, they are just like light strips that capture the light and re-emit it back at you. So yeah, I like the design. Obviously this is more of a decal under here than the actual, well, it's obvious it's not really the things inside, but I thought I like the design. It's different, it's funky. So you got your large screen, you got on the right side your volume rocker, your power button. It's an aluminium chassis, which is good. You've got your USB-C, down-facing speaker, your dual SIM slot, your microphone. On this side you have nothing. At the top you have your microphone. There is no up-firing speaker. It all comes through this tiny, I don't know if you can see, tiny little slit at the top. And then it's your front-facing camera. 50 megapixel camera on this time. A little bit of a downgrade from my POCO F5, but just generally, I thought, well, why not? With all the discount and everything else on top. And then they were doing a £50 rebate on an old phone as well, so I'm sending off a POCO F3. So I should get £75 back for that. So all in all, this will cost me £200. So can't really go wrong for the specs that are in here. Anyway, let's continue. This is what else is in the box. There is your SIM removal tool. Let's just pop this open. Oh, so it does come with a USB-C cable to USB-A. An energy certificate. I've not seen those before with a phone. Obviously, it's been a few years since I ordered a phone. Your normal document stuff. And then you've got your case, which, to be fair, I normally use cases, but I think this is going to be the first phone in a very, very long time that I'm not going to put a case on. The last phone I had didn't have a case on was the Google Nexus 5, and it died by being dropped on a tile floor and it smashed the screen. So I learned my lesson on that one. Let's see if I have to learn my lesson on this one. So that's it for now. I hope to do a review on this in the next day or two. I just need to transfer all my apps and everything else across, and yeah, let's just have another quick look at the back of this again. It's actually really nice and clean. I have read other reviews saying it smudges and leaves fingerprints quite a lot. It's not bad, there's a little bit on there, but Okay, maybe. Well, we'll see if it does my head in. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe if you want. But yeah, hopefully I'll do that review, and that is going to be the cash cow. Thanks, babe.